Please, what can you advise a husband who refuses to or refused to provide for his wife and kids because the wife offended him? He insisted what he did was right because the kids can get for the punishment of the mother.
I think these kinds of issues are issues that men should resolve at home. For the sake of Allah, let us have larger hearts and be more compassionate in our dealings with women. You get the best out of women when you are more merciful to them and compassionate. It does not mean that the male side of you, the firm, stern part of you required for discipline, when discipline is required, is lost. But be easy with them. Be easy with them, especially regarding material things, money, food. Be easy with the people. Be easy with the women. Then avoid punishing women with hunger. You can lead them to evil. Give them money for maintenance. Don't punish women with hunger. Don't punish women with hunger at all. Because when you stop maintaining them, you are pushing them towards hunger. Don't punish. Don't do that, oh man. I have not read anywhere where it says that from the aspects of punishing a woman is that, you make her become hungry. Yes, there are issues that when there is no shoes, there is marital discord. And the woman goes away from the place of authority of the man. It is not the right of the man to provide her support and maintenance. When a woman goes out of the authority of a man, like leaving the house and all of this, there are scholars who have that view. So, but she's not in your house, perhaps she's in her father's house or thereabouts. But that itself, from aspects of goodness to that woman, is that don't make her, if you know that where she has gone to, she's exposed to hunger, I beg you in Allah's name, provide her help and support. So how about when she's right in your house? When she's right in your house, I don't know anything that says don't give her regular maintenance and support. Avoid punishing women with hunger. Unfortunately, some men do that also with their children. It's unfortunate, it's bad. For the sake of Allah, let us change this kind of attitude for those who do it. Change it, stop it. May Allah protect all of us and forgive all of us.